Ready to explore Dubai? Hold your camels. Here are 13 things you need to know before you pack your bags. First off, the best time to visit Dubai is between October and April. Why? The weather's as lovely as a southern spring. Next, plan to stay at least 5 days. Trust me, you'll need every minute to see those jaw-dropping landmarks and sandy beaches. Book activities and restaurants in advance, especially in peak season. You don't want to be left out in the desert, right? Get around using Dubai's efficient public transport. But if you're planning to venture beyond the city, renting a car might be a better bet. Remember, Dubai is liberal for the region, but it's still a Muslim country. Dress modestly, covering shoulders and knees. No need to channel your inner Daisy Duke here. Public displays of affection, keep it low-key. And for all you prescription meds folks, carry a valid prescription with you. Stick to these tips, and y'all will have a fabulous Dubai adventure. Happy travels! Until then, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay informed for future travel news.